my bad. Okay. I've been a fan since 2022. I know all Cat's Eye members. They are Yunche, Megan, Laura, Sophia, Manon, and Daniela. And I know I spelled it right. Hi, I'm Emma. My favorite songs are Sis and Beautiful Chaos. And I've been an icon for 5 years. Yeah, I love Cat's Eye. My favorite song is Psycho. I'm such a blink. Guys, my favorite song is Us Against the World. Your biases are probably Manon, Yunche, Megan, Sophia, or Daniela. Never Universe shows pics of Laura. Wait, I don't get this one. Oh, okay. Oh my god, I love this question. My bias is Gabriella. I think that's her name. And my favorite song is Milkshake. The new song from the Jollibee ad. Don't know if I said that right. Okay. So, my favorite song is from Cat's Eye is Fried Chicken, but British Tea is a good song too. But I've always been a Blink. I hate Pinky Up. It's so bad. I literally love you, Chip. Hello, I've been an icon since 2019. Icons assemble! Who's y'all's bias? Mine is Gabriella. Guys, so, am I a new secret member? I know Cat's Eye, Minnow, Megan, Danny, Laura, Sophia, Yunche. I hate Gabrielle continuously doing Gabriella. So, which one's y'all's favorite? Yeah, okay, bye-bye.